go. Moving on to the final one before you take your assessment on your own. We have done several problems together. What we're working on is basically created, and then the assessment is made identical to this. So all the steps we're reviewing are what you're going to do on your independent check-in assessment. We are starting, and we have, well, our T-chart is by 4 facts. So what is our divisor? 4. Plug it in. This is also a great way for you to practice at home. You don't need teachers to give you papers. You can create your own. So we're going to create our own dividend. Someone give me a 3-digit dividend. Isan. 426 is our dividend. Let's go down to our T-chart. Do we see any 4s? Right here. If I extend it, we have 42. Okay? Are we going to have to extend our basic facts? Okay, so are we going to go to the 8 or stay at the 4? We're going to fall back to the 4. And let's extend. We're going to go from 4 times 1. How many zeros are we going to have to add? 2. If we do 4 times 1, that's 40. If we do 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So 4 times 100 will give us 400. We're going to take our 100, place it underneath where it says partial quotient, and then our product, place it underneath the 426, and subtract. Okay, is 26 a multiple of 4? What brings us closest to without going over? 4 times 6. So place your 6 over here and your 24, and then subtract. Okay, is 2 less than 4? So what is 2 going to become? Okay, so we are done. Draw your line. Add your sign. 100 plus 6 is? We added up our partial quotients, and we now have the quotient of 106. Remember to place that 1, which is in the hundreds, over the 1 in the dividend. And then your R, remainder 2. Any questions? So again, I'm going to show your actual assessment. We did this one as an in-between while we were going over and practicing on the Google slide Cami, and everyone should have this on their page. You are going to continue independently. Now you have your divisor, and I gave you the T-chart because I'm checking to see if you understand the partial quotient algorithm. Some of you still need to work on your multiplication facts. If you make a mistake with your multiplication or extending that fact, will you get the wrong answer? Yes. Yes. So what we practice with is right on this paper. You will have a total of 4 problems, but you actually only have 3 because we did this one as an in-between. While we were practicing in class, we stopped, paused, you did this one, we checked it, we did a couple more problems, and now you are working on 2, 3, and 4 with no assistance from the teachers. You are on your own. Any questions? Use your vertical bin as a divider, and close your Chromebooks. You may begin. When you are done, I'll let you know what to do. I'll put it on the paper. You may begin.